Everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got your sneak peek video for the upcoming fire sale, so here we go. Number one is a really cool candlestick, old school candlestick. The wick is not included, but great for a decorative piece. Number one, $5. Then we have number two. This is kind of to shine the lantern in the proper direction. Old school vintage lighting item. Number two, $10. Number three is all three sets of these salt and pepper shakers. So you get the Aloha Hawaii ones, you get these beautiful silver 25th anniversary ones, and you get the cool little mugs. They say Branson, Missouri. So all of those for $10. Number four is another salt and pepper shaker set. So we've got this silver tray with the little teapots. Look at these, aren't they cute? And then you got the little silver and white ones and the clear kind of Art Deco ones. So those, number four, $10 for that set. Number five, we have these set of prints. Really beautiful. They are signed by T. Uden, I think is what it says. But you got both of the windmills print there, $5 for both of those. Number six for $10, you get both of these prints. These are floral prints, really cool picture frame on them, and you can take the current picture out and use it for your own. Number seven, two bracelets, really cool. I think they are labeled Leah Sophia. No, Leah Sophia? I think so. I'll have to check on those, or maybe they're Monet. I can't remember, but I know they are marked. All right, so that is $7.50 for number seven. Number eight is metal pictures here. We have these oval metal pictures. We've got 1, 2, and 3 for number 8 at $10. Number 9, this is a really amazing thick bowl. Number 9, $7.50, and it is a Sterling China Company made in Liverpool. So $7.50 for number 9. Number 10 is $15. This one is marked, I think, Dresden. $15 for number 10. There is a little bit of discoloration inside the bowl, but you throw some stuff in there for a decorative piece. Very pretty. All right, this is a candle or oil lamp holder, $25 for number 11. It does get mounted on the wall or in a like a door frame. Then we have number 12, holds 2 candles or lamps, $12, or number 12, $25. Number 13 is a National Washboard Company brass washboard. It is brass. You can see kind of the brass coloration peeking through there. So number 13, $20 for the National Washboard Company brass washboard. All right, so we've seen some of our antique finds. Let's look at some of the other new finds. Number 14 is a really cool necklace. It says, "We are best friends connected." Best friends connected by the heart. So really cool necklace. That's $5. Another $5 necklace at number 15. This one is, "We can't direct the wind, but we can adjust the sails." Okay. Then number 16 is a set of rings. So you're going to get both rings. Really pretty ones. So this one is a turtle, and that's adjustable. And then this one is, I think, a size 7. Got some cute cubic zirconium in. Number 16, $10. Number 17 is this set of earrings. So we've got this square pair of really, really sparkly earrings. And then you have all these different sizes of square earrings here, from very, very tiny and dainty to larger. And then you get these rose-colored ones as well. So number 17, $15 for all those earrings. Number 18, another jewelry lot. And we've got a bunch of earrings and necklaces in number 18 as well. Number 19 is the smartwatch that we had that does Bluetooth to your phone. $20. $10 for this blinged up sparkly watch. And it does work. If you can see the second hand clicking away there. So number 21, $10 for the blinged out watch. Number 21, $10. I think I said that backwards. Number 20, I skipped. Number 20 are wolf knives. They look just like that with the cool wolf picture. Wolf folding knives, $5 each. We got 4 of those available. Then we move on to number 21, the sparkly watch. Number 22 for $3.50. We have 13 of these available, the wooden slingshot. Then number 23, we have our basically 8 of these Jewelry bundles. 8 of these. Oh, these are 5 chains. They're chain bundles, and they're going to be a variety. So they will be black, gold, and silver. So you get 5 chains for $10. Number 23. Number 24 is the Elf Mood palette there. Number 24, $5. Number 25, you're going to 2-pack of this Emerge. What is it? Emerge High Key Smooth Conditioner for number 25. We have 2 sets of those. Number 26, you get this Versed Brightening Tightening Mask. Really cool. It does have 12 plus applications. You're going to get a 2-pack for $5. Okay. That's number 26. Number 27 is the Pixie Smart Feeder for cat food. So number 27, $50 for that. It's got a timer on it, and it's a smart. You have a smartphone app. Number 28, the Little Arrow Throwing Knives, $5, and we have 5 of those available. Number 29, we have 6 of these available, and it is Immune Defense Mega Foods 5-day intense wellness plan with oranges, elderberries, echinacea, and what is that? Adagraphis dietary supplement. So number 29, 6 of those at $10. Number 30, you have the Ollie Youthful Skin Soft Gels. Ollie Youthful Skin Soft Gels. We have 7 of those. Number 30 at $10. Number 31. Oh, I went too far. You don't get to know what's on the rest of the sale. So we have a ton of items for sale. So come out Thursday, noon Central Time, to our fire sale. This was the sneak peek. You get to see the first 30. If you're a patron. So thanks so much for joining us. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.